Hello guys, it's me, Franz, and we just ate dinner. And before dinner, I took a bath and I combed my hair. But if when it's dry, I mess it up. So that's why it's so messed up. And I tie it like this, a ponytail, and um uh after dinner, me and daddy, I have daddy to fix the dog's food, and daddy, Jean and Sassy go out, yeah, and outside our house, they poop. I'm so sorry about that. Change topic. After we ate dinner, I brush my teeth. Uh, I did my household chores, and now I'm filled. And my sister is messing around, but um, when I said messing around, she go to our kitchen and do her household chores in there. So yeah, I'm in our room and just waiting around. And I'm not going to sleep this time, this hour, because um, suppose my sister is going to. I think my sister is going to call me when it's time for the TV show that we are watching every day. Yeah, and oh, it's so hot in the Philippines. Yeah. So today is April. Wait, April April 29, 2014, and tomorrow is April 30, and my sister is going to her friend's house because they will swim. Yeah. Bebe! Why? She's messing around. And yeah. Ow. And yay. I'm just going to get my. I'm just getting my tablet, and then I'm going on my bed. And my sister is calling me later when that it's time for us to watch our TV show. Yeah, so I'm going on bed. Yeah, but it's too hard to. Ouch. With one hand, I'm sleeping. Ouch, because my hand is full of sweat. Ew. Because it's so hot in the Philippines. Yay. Yeah. I'm in my bed. I'm on my bed. And I comb my hair, and I think it's messed up again. And My tablet is here and my earphone is here. And I am just going to close the door. My bed. Yeah, it's closed now. I'm just going to put it like that. And voila! I'm just going to do here is I'm gonna put in the Mickey Mouse here in this metal, so it can fall. It's so hard with one hand, using one hand. Usually I'm using this with two hands, so that's, and I'm going to, and my sister is dirty. Yeah, that's it. Or you can sleep like this one, just like that. Oh, it's open. Or just like this one. So that, yeah, my blankets just in there, and yeah, I'm just cleaning my bed on my bed because it's so messed up. Oh, yeah. This is my notebook. This is my, I don't know what it's. Oh yeah. Okay. This is the 5 Bonifacio. The president in our classroom is Joyce Piedla. Vice president is Alessandra Francesca Lazo. Secretary is Justine Alfred. No, I'm just kidding. Justine Alfred Di Batonga Bakal. Treasurer Aubrey. Auditor Mark. PRO Priest. Sergeant at Arms. My crush. No. Paul. And the muse. The muse is Sandre or Ara. And the escort is Harold. And yeah, oh, don't mind this one. Winner points. Oh, it's so cute. Who's the winner? The Bubbles one. It's so many. This is my best friend. Lana, Francis, Joycel, Danica, Gwyneth, Daniel. The Erich is not here yet. And I forgot Heinz and Justine. Yeah. That's my reviewer. No, don't mind this one. Oh, shucks. This is my grade. And my drawings. Yeah, my drawings. This is the cute one. I like this dress. Yeah. Just like that. Yeah. Another drawings. It's blank page. Oh. This is me. My best friend, Joycel and Danica. Gwyneth and Daniel. This is the birthdays from our family. This is our dog, John D, the other one, August 6, 2010. Guinness February 13. Oh, 30, 2009. Sassy is December 26, 2008. After Christmas. Me, July 1, 2002, 3. My sister, November 3, 2003. Oh! No. That's it. Blank. This is the artist, Louis Tomlinson, Zayn Malik from One Direction, Liam, Niall, Harry, and the Brittany, Caleb, Annie, Haley. Yeah, this is my artwork. Just me, Martin Balbeja, Violet Sparkle, Applejack, Fluttershy, Pinkie Pie, Rarity, and Rainbow Dash from My Little Pony. And the next one is One Direction, Forever, Louis Tomlinson, Zayn Malik, Liam Payne, Niall Horan, and Harry Styles. That's it. I'm going to draw and draw. I'm going to draw and I'm going to draw my name again, and I'm going to film it. But yeah, wait. So it's done, and this is my name, Brataili cast, and the Kitty's Mama cast. Brataili and Kitty's Mama. I just highlightering the name of it, and yeah, this is my name. That's it. Brataili and Kitty's Mama. Okay. Brataili and Kitty's Mama. Brataili, Kitty's Mama. Brataili, Kitty's Mama. Brataili, Kitty's Mama. So yeah, I'm just yeah. So wait a minute. So it's time for the question of the day, and the question of the day is, what is your favorite YouTube channel to watch? Mine is, ouch. Mine is mine is Brataili, yeah, and Kitty's Mama. Oh wait, what the question of the day is, what is your favorite YouTube channel to watch and why? Mine is Brataili and Kitty's Mama because they're cute and they're so awesome. And last but not least, cool. Yeah. So what's yours? Comment down below because we want to know your answer for the question of the day. And the question of the day is, what is your favorite YouTube channel to watch and why? So yeah, bye. See you tomorrow. Yeah, 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 yeah. Bye. Hey guys, watch this.
Lexi.
Lexi.
I love you. I love you. I love you.
Oh, it's so cute.
Turtle Cat.
Oh, this is the cute one.
Lily. Who's your best friend?
Who's your best friend?
Who's your best friend? Just the crazy in the club.
Just like a stuffed toy.
Lexi. Lexi.
Lexi. Cute. So cute.
Kaiser. Smile. Show me your smile. Smile. Oh, so handsome.
Oh, that's awesome. It's sleeping in. That's a cute one. That's my favorite. So yeah, just like what I say. Bye. See you tomorrow.